Hello everyone, this is our second video lecture on software project management by using Microsoft Project. Presented by Sakil, Ahamed, Amitav, Choubey, Amit, Dutta, Abhijit, Saha and Amit, Gorai. Under the guidance of Professor Soumen Santra and Professor Vidyut Biman Sarkar, Techno International Newtown, Kolkata. In this lecture, we will create a sample project plan. This is the sample project plan that we have. Here you can see this is the taxes, this is the duration, and this is the predecessor, and this and all are holidays. So first of all, we must open our Microsoft project and create a blank project. And in this example, you will see that RS Technology will start a project on 1st April 2015. This is the starting date of this project. So we must set in our project information. To do this, go to the project, then project information, then set the start date. First April. First April 2015. We must change the calendar also, but here it's just save it as it is. Here you can see the project information date will start on April. And go to the assignment. The fiscal year of manufacturing company start on April and end on March. So we must set in our project information as well. And the company works at a standard 8.5 hours a day. To do this, go to the project, go to the file, then options, and fiscal register of April. Change it in April. $8.5. Let's change the currency also. Save it. After that, we must create these holidays. To do this, we must go to the project, then change working time and create a new calendar. Name it RS Sakil. Okay. Then you will see that the new calendar that you are creating, that is set by default. Then go to the 2015. January 23rd, Netaji's birthday. Click on 23rd, paste it. In the similar way, we add these holidays in our calendar. 24th January, Saraswati Puja.
See, the working hour for Monday to Friday is given are 10 to 7 p.m. and Saturday 10 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. So you must set on our calendar as well. Then go to the work weeks. Then choose default and click on detail section. In detail section you will see set working time for this work weeks. So you set working time Monday to Saturday. Just click on Monday. After that choose set days to this specific working time and edit this field. So you will see the working time are set. You can check this and this way. After that, the first and third Saturday of each month are the non-working day. So you must set in our calendar as well. Go to exception and add first Saturday. And scroll up to the January and select first Saturday. And first Saturday. It will be repeated for each month. So how can I do this? To do this, go to detail section. Here you see the first Saturday of every month. The start date with 1/3/15 and end after will be changed into 12 occurrence. Here you see the finish date will be changed. After that, the third Saturday. The same process we will put third Saturday as well. Here you see any non-consecutive 2 days of any 3 weeks each in the month of June. The office will get closed down by 4 p.m. for electronic maintenance work in the office. In order to compensate the work loss, any 2 Sunday of the same month, the office will be remain open. You must add this information in our calendar as well as. To fill the information as per question, to go to work weeks. And choose the month June. So I can select the day 18. This is Thursday. So put into work weeks and go to details section. Choose Thursday and change the working time as per question. You can find this and this way in this calendar. The other day will be say follow the same process. As per question, any 2 Sunday of the same month of office will be remain open.
After allocating the holidays and the non-working days on the calendar, we will move to the next phase, which is assigning the task name on the task field. We can see in the question that these are the task name, these are the duration, and these are the predecessor of those tasks. But before assigning those task name on the task field, we will have to change our calendar to the RS calendar that we are created. And same way we also select the calendar for non-working days. We can also change the color of non-working days. Those bold lines indicate the non-working days in this project. As we can see in the question that analysis is our first task and duration of this task is 17 days and predecessor is 1. Now we add the task name to the task field. Also change its calendar to the RS calendar and change its schedule mode to auto schedule. But we do not need to change this duration because the duration will be calculated automatically. Now our next task is interview and duration assigned to this task name is 7 days. Now we must assign the task name to the task field. Change its schedule mode to auto schedule and change its calendar to the RS calendar. Interview is the subtask of the analysis. That's why we need to select the task and go to indent task, then select it. That's how interview became the subtask of the analysis.
Next task name is technical and duration is 2 days. Select the calendar as RSCal. General section, select auto schedule. And advanced section, we put the duration as 2 days. Register is supervisor ID 4. And all those management, supervisor and technical is under interviews. Now it minimize it. Clerical. Duration is 2 days and predecessor is technical. Auto schedule. In advance change the calculator or use calculator. Interview is completed 7 days. 7 days.
And same way we must fill up the remaining task field.
duration is 17 days.
After that, here we show the Gantt chart and show the network diagram and critical path, and the last one is print task uses report and resource uses report. So here we can see the first one. This is Gantt chart. And the second one is network diagram. At first, go to the task section and then select network diagram. Here we can see the network diagram. And this red arrows shows the critical path. To see the critical path, you can go to the format section and then critical path section and tick this critical path section. And here we see the critical path. And the last one is print task uses report and resource uses report. At first, go to the task option and then go to the Gantt chart option and then go to the task uses option and tick this option. And here we can see the task uses report. This is an example, that's why this is blank. And return. Go to the task option and then go to the Gantt chart option and then go to the resource uses options. Here we can see the resource uses report, and in this place resource were empty, that's why we don't add any resources. And in this assignment related, all the file, document and link is given to the description. Go through and check it. Thank you for watching this video.